Hi and welcome to our web design video blog. If you're new to WordPress, you may have seen the permalink settings and you're wondering what they are. You may have also come across other websites like our web design blog, where the URLs of blog posts and categories are customized. So as you can see here on our recent video, it goes blog/videos/better PHP includes.html. So I've installed a copy of WordPress on one of our test domain names. And at the moment I haven't really changed anything at all. I've literally just logged in. So by default, the URLs of pages, once you get past the home page, so if I click onto the Hello World blog post, you'll see that the URL is WordPress /?p=1. And it's the same sort of thing for categories. If I click on the uncategorized category that this is put in, it's again $cat=1. So these don't really change too much other than the numbers on the end getting higher. So if you want to have custom search engine friendly and user friendly URLs for your WordPress blog, then you can do this in the WordPress admin settings. So if I log in and go to settings on the left hand side, and then the settings menu expands and I can click on permalinks. You'll see the permalink settings page. So this has already got a like an introductory paragraph that explains to you what permalinks are, and you'll see that the default setting is the $p=123. So if you've got this far with your WordPress installation, then obviously everything's working fine, and the permalink settings only work if your server has mod rewrite enabled, but you can still try and do it if you're not sure, because if you change the settings to permalinks, if you change it from default to anything else and the site stops working, it's because your server doesn't support mod rewrite. You may need to switch it on if you have a dedicated server, or you may need to contact your hosting company for more help. So there's a few things you can do already. So if I choose one of the common settings like domain name and click save, we should see a change almost instantly. So if I go back to the blog and I click on Hello World, you'll see now that the URL has changed from WordPress /?=1 or whatever it was. We've now got the year, the month, the day, and the title of the blog post. So already this is a little bit better, but you still may want to customize it further. On the supporting blog post at crearedesign.co.uk/blog, I've provided a list of all the variables that you can have when customizing your permalinks. So take a look at that if you want to see them all. So let's have a look. So in custom structure, you can tick this, and you can actually edit your own preferred structure. So the one that we like to use, and that we use for the Creare web design blog, is category and then post name. And what you can also do is you can remove the final / if you wish, and add a file extension like .php or .html. So let's save that. View the website. As you can see at the top, we're now WordPress /category /post name. Some servers have mod rewrite enabled, obviously like ours that we're working on at the moment. Some people may find that when they go to edit the permalinks, they've kind of got put in after the last WordPress /index.php/. This is basically a path info setting on your server. And again, if you want to try and remove this, then contact your hosting provider or just work around it. So in summary, permalinks are a lot more memorable than the database query URLs. As you can see, like on our recent video here, it's blog /videos/ the post name. They're much better looking. They're also keyword rich, so you can actually include, the actual keywords for SEO, and also it helps you to structure your content so you can file and organize your blog posts much like the pages of your website. It's also important when making and editing your own custom permalinks is you don't want to have too many categories or too many layers to your structure, because the more you have, the sort of weaker the content can become, because the search engines recognize that it's in further subdirectories. Okay, so if you have any questions or comments regarding WordPress permalinks, please leave any questions on our supporting blog post or on our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.